What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video gonna learn how to create borders, or to be honest, the most creative way to make borders and margins across images into Canva, all into a simple, fast and effective method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After, go to the design that you wish, apply into the size that you wish, and enter your picture. You can go to Photos from the left sidebar of menus on Canva. Select a picture and place on it, just like this. Or, of course, you can upload a picture. Click on Edit after selecting the picture. Review the left sidebar of menus. Go to Magic Studio. And use the option Magic Grab. Click on the object, for example this tree, and click on Grab. Just like this. Now, after this, all you have to do is click on Edit once again, scroll it down just a little bit, and go to Shadows and Outline. And here's the result you got. You can make it bigger or smaller, just like this. For example, you can make it white, just like this, a little bigger. You can change the intensity in the case that you want. And here is the result you got out of your picture. Looks fancy, right? You can do this with whatever picture you have. For example, let me search a new one. I think let's grab some different one, just to show the results. I think this one looks okay. I think it's okay. Now click on Picture, Edit, Magic Studio, Magic Grab. Select the objects to grab, just like this and this. Click on Grab. Awesome. Now Edit, Shadows, Outline, and here's the result I got. Simple, right? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!